What's up everyone? Today's unboxing is going to be a smartwatch. Why smartwatch? Well, if you guys haven't had a smartwatch before, I think today's the day you should probably pick one up. If you guys like your smartphones, smartwatch is your next best bet. Why? Because you can get all your notifications, all your missed calls, all your missed text messages, get your text messages, everything from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything will pop up on your watch. And today's watch is going to be the GARMIN VivoFit HR. And this thing does all your steps, does your activities, does your sleep. What else does that have here? We have floor counting. So if you're climbing floors, it has floor climbing. And this is a touch screen. This is definitely a touch screen smartwatch. It does connect with your phone, of course. Connects with your smartphone. So let's get this unboxed. So the reason why I picked up this the VivoFit Smart HR Plus is because I had the original HR, and I just wanted to upgrade, and I had that for almost a year, and I loved it. So this is basically the same design, and the difference it's because this has built-in GPS, the other one doesn't. And I'll get to that in a minute. But otherwise, we're going to go to the manual, and then this really small box in there. Okay, so that's the charger for the phone. I mean watch. I know, right? Right off the bat. So there are other watches that have built-in batteries, and some of them only last a year. So you have to replace that by like returning your watch and getting another one. I don't want to do that because I really like the ability to charge my devices. So after just pulling that out, there we go. There it is. So I was getting to the GPS. On the VivoFit HR, the Smart HR, that one has the GPS that just works right off your phone. This one works the GPS right off the device itself. So when you're doing your run or do an escape, that's why I got this, because it's a skateboard, and you can totally set it for skating, biking, swimming, anything like that. You can probably attach it to your cat, so if you want to know where your cat is going for the GPS, shoot, why not? You could do this. So I got the black, and it has a nice little band here. It's metal. Let's see if I can, there you go. And that adjusts as well. And so if you can see like the nice little texture there. The other one doesn't have the texture band, and it doesn't feel as nice. This one feels like more of a like a dust resistant, waterproof, and stuff like that. I guess that someone is probably the same thing, because there's basically the same models, but this is the Plus. So yeah, we have one dedicated button. I'm gonna turn it on. And it's probably on. Boop. There we go. So as it turns on, right off the bat, I already have it synced because since I had the HR, this synced really easily. This is just a Plus. I just had to switch it up to make sure that it was the Plus set up on my phone. So that's going to be its own little app there in the phone, in the Garmin setup, and it's called the, make sure I'm saying this correct, it's the Garmin Connect app that you get there. So that'll have, I know you can see the glare in the background there, but that'll have all your steps, everything like that in there. So since that connects to the watch, you'll still be able to get everything from the watch. That's the heart rate. See if you can zoom this in so I'm not getting so much glare. It probably won't work as well, but there we go. It might be the best thing here. how hot it is, 90 degrees out. That's a music player. So those are like all the little functions there. That's probably like stairs climbed. That's once again the time. And once you can press the button, and that goes inside its own menu. And there's a couple of key features I like in here. One of them is this one on the bottom. See if you can see it here. Yeah, that's to find the phone. So if I press that, so now it's searching for the phone, and it gives a location. Okay, check it out. Phone is flashing. So if I lose the phone, this is a great way for me to find the phone. I thought that was a great little add-on to these smartwatches. So at the top you have your running. You can set that for running. You can set it for skating, like what I'm doing, for biking, for swimming, anything like that. The nighttime is you can disable, like if you're sleeping, you can disable notifications and stuff, so you're not waking up from that. And the next little file, like I said, you can scroll up and down. It's all touchscreen. So that's like your sync, your save runs, and your data. So you can save and delete from this little area here. Or you can also just, once you connect it to your computer, save and delete that way. Next one is like, yeah, that's the Bluetooth sync, and that's where you also can find your phone. So that's about it for the watch there. But I got my first smartwatch this Christmas, and I was like, okay, cool. I really wanted to watch. Cool, it can connect to my phone. But once I had it, man, like, I'm totally hooked. Like once I had that HR, man, and it burnt down on me yesterday or 2 days ago, like I couldn't I couldn't go without it. Like I was constantly like checking my phone, checking the time, and checking to see if I had messages and stuff. Still with my day job, like I can't access my phone all the time, so it's really great for me to be really handy and just check things real quick. Especially if it's an emergency, I can't access my phone right away. I can see right here on the device, and when I get a message, instantly it'll tell me what the person is saying, who it is, all the excellent stuff. So once again, like everything is connected to the app, and there's tons of stuff in the app. You just keep scrolling past the stuff, man, and you can customize everything. You can add additional apps into the Garmin app. So if you have like some of the apps for Under Armour, you can add that onto the app. Some of the apps for maybe it's your company, maybe let's say Optimum Nutrition. Maybe they have an app like that, and you can add your body weight, and it might give you some statistics for weightlifting and stuff. So that's a great thing about smartwatches. And I picked out, like, once again, Garmin VivoFit HR. And usually, once I'm done with these videos, the cases is like, that's what happens. So I'm not sure why they didn't do that, because I kind of wanted to showcase the watch, and I really enjoy this one. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll link a location from Amazon where you guys can pick these up from. These are awesome, and if you don't want to spend, I think they're about 200 bucks. You can pick up the HR, which isn't the HR Plus, so it doesn't have the GPS, but it still runs on the GPS on your smartphone. So that wasn't a really big deal right off the bat when I first got my watch. So if that's not an issue with the HR Plus, pick up the HR. That's what I totally recommend. Once again, guys, if you're doing the smartwatch, get one with a charger, because you don't want to be going back to the store like every year. That's what they say, every year, but it could end up being every few months. I want to say like 9 months or 8 months. We're having to go back there and get a new watch. Maybe that's not a bad thing, but that's my that's my point on that one. So Garmin, stay away from the Fitbits. From what I've wearing them, my family's wearing them. Garbage. Pick a Garmin, guys. That's all I'm saying. Thanks for watching the video. I'm not not advertising for Garmin. This is just my personal opinion from my tech aspect, guys. So please subscribe and like. Once again, I'm making videos all the time of unboxing tech stuff, and especially gaming. So Wes is out today. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.